The portable air conditioner is a great product. It's easy to control and easy to handle. No installation is required for this portable air cooler. It has a strong wind that makes the environment comfortable and airy. You can utilize it in your homes, your offices, and any of your desired places. The portable air cooler is made up of premium quality material, and that's why it's durable and reliable. It works very smoothly without making noise. There is no need for special wiring for this portable air cooler. It's easy to move because it has fixed tires. It can be placed everywhere